Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today I am giving you guys a day in the life video, just kind of taking you guys along with me as we run some errands and get some things done. But before that, I am going to be making some breakfast for my kiddos. And if you watch my shorts or Instagram, you probably have seen some of these clips before. But I wanted to also incorporate them because it was the same day that we were doing everything. So I'm just making some eggs and plantains and some turkey bacon. And I do like to cluster my eggs because it's just easier and quicker. I don't, however, like when my bacon is like white or light skinned. So I just went ahead, put it back in the oven, and voila, this is what it looks like. I was able to get my kids fed. My two oldest, not my oldest, my baby and my middle, they didn't want to eat right away. So I just ended up feeding Nyla and myself because your girl was hungry. All right. And I'm just so at peace right now, you guys. Like, I am just so at peace. The vibe that I have right now is one of peace and tranquility and contentment, and it feels incredible. I'm just doing some laundry because, you know, a day in the life without laundry is not a day in the life, right? At least a day in my life. I always have laundry to do, you guys. And I had blankets and stuff like that because, as you know, Nyla, she sleeps with me, and so she soiled the blankets and the sheets. So I'm just going ahead and just kind of washing everything, putting them in the laundry, and getting that done before we had to leave out. I also took my son to my brother's house to go get his hair cut. He wanted to cut his hair off. At first he wanted dreads, and I did it for him, and then he changed his mind and he wanted to cut his hair down. So my brother's a licensed barber, and so we went to his house and he got his hair cut down low, which he looks so handsome. I haven't seen him like this since middle school. And he looks so handsome. So we're here now at Walmart and getting some school supplies for the girls. And yeah, it was a pretty good day so far.
Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead. Nobody's losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be.
So we are in Walmart, you guys, and we are getting school supplies for Caleb Busy. Well, you don't need a lot. You're in high school now, so you don't really need a lot of supplies. She's a little bummed out because, you know, she likes school supplies. That's like her thing. But high school, they don't need a lot of school supplies. They're pretty much on Chromebooks and stuff.
Yeah.
So she's a little bummed out because she don't need all that school supplies like she used to. She was asking me if she should get glue sticks and color pencils and all that. Like, no. You don't need that. So we'll see, you guys. Oh, we shall see. So we're here in the home decor section. The kids, they went on to all the beauty area, McKellar, to get some stuff. So I decided to stop by some of the home decor and just to see what they have, if they put out anything for fall. And this is like their normal things that they have, like everyday decor. I love that wicker vase. It's gorgeous. And so I just wanted to see what they had, because, you know, they had some new pieces that they brought in, and a lot of the stuff, you guys, I am loving.
I asked Mikey, I was like, where'd she go? He's like, I don't know. And I was like, home decor.
Home decor, you know. Where's the what?
Telescopic mascara.
Oh, I don't know about that, girl. So they have patio sets, you guys, that is on clearance right now at Walmart. $350 for that sectional. It is absolutely beautiful. Y'all come and get it. $350. Oh my goodness. Like, how beautiful is that? This one is $198. Beautiful egg chair. It's just going to be in your backpack anyway.
Who's that?
The fly catching is real. The fly catching is real. Did you get it? He got it, you guys. Throw that in the wash. Kayla Beezy got all of her supplies.
This is what like I thought I would need.
All of her supplies. Oh my word. Yeah. You're just gonna put those in your binders. Did you buy loose sleeve?
I didn't know if I would need it.
Kayla Beezy got all of her supplies. This is her toiletry bag with all of her girly things. You're done with school. Just going to get her nails done tomorrow. But she's done. She got everything she needs.
When you guys were out galloping,
Yep.
I was at Wilderness Camp Racing.
How was the school shopping, back to school shopping experience for you?
It was phenomenal.
You shopped the entire month.
I did. Because I was a lot.
Nyla, how was this experience for you? All right.
But I did stay true to Roma. Seeing us finish it, we went crazy.
Look at Mikey. He got his haircut, you guys. Show the fams your haircut. Doesn't he look so handsome? Got his haircut. Yeah? I know. Whew. Y'all, I am so tired. I got my glue sticks and my glue gun. I'm getting ready to make those WREAT tutorials. I'm super excited. I cannot wait. But I'm tired. I just want to go sit down and put my feet up. We've been out all morning. Didn't I say we was going to get home at 6? We got home at 6 on the dot. I'm going to go change Nyla. And I'll see you guys here in a little while. While Michaela put her stuff together.
I went back to see if my ex-boyfriend was really a jerk. He was. Because he had to.
Mikey killing flies. Hi, Kayla Beezy. And of course, we had to get some Chick-fil-A. Some Chick-fil-A. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go change Nye.
When we finally saw